Hello, I'm Chef Michael McDermott, and welcome to Chef Michael's Food Hacks. Hello, I'm Chef Michael McDermott. Today we're making shepherd's pie from what we have on hand. Absolutely delicious, easy, and quick. Yum, yum. Okay, Chef Michael here making shepherd's pie. Let me tell you something about shepherd's pie. Do not make it from scratch. Shepherd's pie, for probably 1,000 years, because it's a lineage of my people, the Celtic people, has been made from leftovers, okay, or repurposed ingredients. So what I have in the pan, everything I have here is from Thanksgiving or a couple of days. This is the grilled chicken we made the other day. I just shredded it up. Now I've got carrots, peas, corn, frozen, and then I've got fresh garlic and onions in here, a little bit of olive oil, okay? Now all I'm going to do is I'm going to add the chicken to this, all right? And then it says, you know, in shepherd's pie it says add broth. I don't like to add broth because it makes the whole damn thing wet. So I'm using some of the turkey gravy that we had from the other day, okay, that I made for Thanksgiving. And I'm just using enough to wet it, okay? And I'm going to stir that up, and I'm going to add it to the pan here, which is already greased. And on the bottom, which is unusual and not indicative of shepherd's pie, I've got some of the biscuits I made in the last couple days, so I don't have to freeze them, and I just put them down as a bottom layer. And then we're going to top this with traditional mashed potatoes. What I did was I added 1 egg yolk per cup of mashed potatoes and just blended it together. Also now, what I'm showing you here is I don't have a pastry bag, okay, handy. So I took a Ziploc bag, oops, mentioning a brand, and I put it inside, kind of took a spatula and wiped it inside the bag, then I squeezed all the air out. Now, because I want to pipe this on here, it's easier, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut the corner off, pretty good size, all right? Then I'm just going to squeeze it from the back on top of the shepherd's pie. Okay? Now, I'm going to do this over the whole pie, okay? And then I'm going to put it in the oven, 400 degrees, for about 10 minutes until the whole top browns. Okay, there it is. It is a beautiful shepherd's pie right out of the oven. I put some little divots in there with a spatula. I put a little paprika on the top, browned it under the broiler, but 10 minutes at 400, it's totally done. Look how luscious that looks in the bowl, and this is all from repurposed ingredients. We had chicken, and we had potatoes, and we had some gravy. Delicious. I'm Chef Michael. This has been Chef Michael's Food Hacks. Stay tuned for the next Chef Michael's Food Hacks. And remember, when you eat well, you live well. Visit our partner on Facebook, Borderlands Market and Produce on Wheels Without Waste.